Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to put new ball joints on the rear control arms of a Nissan 240SX. S13 hatch is what I have here, but this should be for every S13. It's pretty much the same thing. I've removed the lower control arms and sway bar, brakes, stuff like that. Slid them out. Took them over here and I took the arms, power washed them, PB blasted them, got them cleaned up pretty nice so like they're not so nasty to work with. As you can see, my ball joints are pretty screwed. And this happens a lot, but there's actually no Nissan part number online, so I ended up getting, hang on here, the focus, K9633. That's the part number for these. They're actually, I believe, for like a Nissan Sentra, I think is what they like call for. Like, you look them up, but as you can see, pretty much the same thing that we're going to be replacing it with. I'm going to use a small ball joint press that I rented to try to get these out. I know this is kind of backwards, so don't judge, but that's the only way I could do it without the proper adapter. So we're going to try this. I'm going to hit it with an impact and see what happens. Alright, so I'm going to hit this. Actually, let me get a safety glasses real quick. Okay, I'm going to hit this with the impact and see if it starts to push it out. Alright, so you can move there. Okay, go back up there for a minute. Alright, so voila, there we go. And I'm going to clean this out a little bit with like a wire brush, maybe some emery cloth or something, and then I'll show you how to press the new ball joints in. I forgot to mention, but before you can press these out, you do have to take this little C-clip out. You just take it off of there. I just pulled mine off with a pair of pliers, so it was really rusty, the old one, but you're supposed to have like a pair of C-clips, pliers to take those out. But do that and then they'll press right out. Alright, I'm going to try this one more time. We already did the one. We're going to do this one more time here. Try to press this one out. And that's number two. Hopefully this is the hard part and pressing them in will be a lot easier, but I have a feeling that that's probably not true. There we go, there's number two. These guys are both trashed. You can tell the jackets are busted and they're really loose and not good. So we're gonna toss those. We got two new ball joints, like I said, from Moog, and we are going to clean these up and then throw the new ball joints in. Okay, so once again, your new ball joint number for the Nissan S13 240SX rear ball joints is K9633, made by Moog. Like I said before, they look up for a Nissan Sentra, I believe is what it is, or something like that. Here's what the new ball joint looks like. We're going to put a little bit of grease on this one as well, just around the edge, just to help get it to slide in there and keep as less friction on it as possible so that it goes in smoothly. This is just red lithium high temperature grease, nothing fancy. Okay, we got that on there. Going to slide it in like so. Sometimes if you bump it, you can kind of get it to stick in there like that, so it just helps you get everything in position a little easier. Okay, I don't have the right adapter, so I'm using this concave one. It goes just like this, right on along the edge of this. That. We're going to put our press on like so. This guy just clips in there like that. And we're using basically like a socket in on this side. Well, that was really nice. Grab that real quick. Okay, let's try that again. So we're going to put this on here, slot it in on that side. Okay, it's gonna go in there like so. Tighten her up a little bit. And once I have it all tight, I can tip it up like this kind of to help give me a little bit better lighting. Okay. You can see it drawing in right here. Okay. That's it. You gotta watch your toes there. Almost knocked the tripod over there. Okay. Get all my stuff up the fill. If you look like that, you can see how it's touching, and you're good to go. So we're good. Now I'm gonna paint these up, and after I paint them, I'll throw the C-clips on. My new C-clips go on something like that. Have a C-clip pliers you gotta use to put those on though. And then the new boots go on like that. So I'll put all that stuff on after I paint them up and get them put back on the car. Okay guys, I just got done painting the arms, and this is what the finished product is looking like. Here's one of them. I ran out of painting tape, so I used a Ziploc baggie with some zip ties. This is the other one over here. Got them hang drying for a little bit here. Got them nice and cleaned up. But I'm going to try to get them back on this car later tonight or hopefully tomorrow, and get the GK Tech dual caliper brackets on and the 5-lug hubs. I have new injectors for it in my truck, and I'm going to get those swapped in and take it back to the dyno and let them retune it, because we ran out of injector the last time we were there getting it tuned, and I needed to upgrade the injector, so I did that. It is a beautiful day out here. But yeah, here's the new injectors here from the fuel injector connection. So I will get those thrown in the LS, and maybe make a video of us taking it to the dyno, see what kind of power we make. Alright guys, see you later.